Hey you guys, you guessed it, I'm back, video number 3, and we are talking all about why you should join the chamber now versus later, okay? So it kind of just breaks it down really easily, this video. You get a free month of membership, which is awesome. If you're a small business, this could really help you out. So you get free month of benefit or membership, which you're probably thinking, cool, what's included in my membership, right? It means now you can go to all the events for free. You can go to the tips groups and try, and get to go to all the different tips groups and really see which one that you could possibly fit into. And you get to attend and really get involved with the ambassadors and the young professionals. So it's so much fun being a part of a company or an organization that wants to just help grow your business. That's all the chamber is here to do, is to help us as business owners, as professionals, business professionals, grow. Pretty awesome, right? So the next thing is, if you sign up under this Sarpy County Chamber Blitz membership, you also then get entered in, this is a really cool part, you get entered into the drawing for free marketing and sponsorship opportunities. Take another moment. Did I just hear free? I sure did. So if you want to get entered in to be the next small business luncheon sponsor, if you want to get in to possibly have your logo in that conference room in the chamber office, and again, the awesome words are free, so all you have to do is join today. And then also, the last cool thing is they're going to make you guys as new members feel very special. They are hosting and putting on an event that is solely just for new members. That's other people who are not quite sure what they got roped into, but hey, we're all gonna come together and we're gonna do it and we're gonna grow together. That's an amazing part, and the big magical word is grow. We all wanna grow our businesses, we all wanna grow our contact sphere, and we all wanna grow professionally. So why not join? I'm gonna say this one more time. I have attached the membership form onto this email, and all you have to do is print it, fill it out, send it right back to me. Do not go online and fill out this form, because this is how you get entered in. This is what happens. They take your business into a bucket, and then in like a month, they're going to draw all of those cool free special sponsorship and marketing stuff. So you guys, this is the magic here. Send it back to me. I am more than happy to go over more of this in detail. If you have questions, I'm happy to meet over the phone, over a cup of coffee. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you know joining the chamber is the right thing to do for your business and you're ready to start growing your business by like so much that maybe next year you're like, I gotta hire someone to go out and do this stuff, now's the time. The best time to join is now. See you later, guys.